silent battle against 95-degree Fahrenheit. It's summer, and we are already seeing temperatures climb toward record highs. While we're focused on staying hydrated, our electric and hybrid vehicles are fighting a silent chemical battle under the pavement. Recent studies this month have shown that once ambient temperatures hit 95-degree Fahrenheit, EVs can lose about 10% of their efficiency and over 8% of their range just trying to stay cool. For hybrids, that efficiency drop can be as high as 12%. Today, we were looking at the life support system of your car, the battery thermal management system, and how you can protect your most expensive asset this summer. The engineering. How your car fights the heat. Modern batteries have a Goldilocks zone between 60-degree Fahrenheit and 95-degree Fahrenheit. Anything higher, and the internal chemical reactions accelerate, leading to faster degradation. Most EV and hybrid newer models now use advanced liquid cooling systems that circulate specialized glycols through structural cooling plates. In the newest high-performance models, we're even seeing phase change materials that act like a thermal sponge, soaking up heat during ultra-fast charging sessions to prevent hotspots. This engineering is incredible, but it still relies on physical health, like clean air intakes and proper coolant levels, to keep your battery from throttling its power when you need it most. The AI factor. Predictive thermal management. The biggest shift we've seen in 2026 is the integration of agentic AI in our diagnostics. Your car is no longer just reactive, it's proactive. If you've programmed a fast charger into your GPS, the AI performs a thermal drawdown, pre-cooling the battery to around 64-degree Fahrenheit before you even arrive. This creates a thermal sink that allows the battery to handle a 600-kilowatt charge without overheating. As a technician, I'm seeing that the key to summer longevity is ensuring this software and the physical cooling pumps stay perfectly synchronized through regular over-the-air updates. Next, the summer checklist. Pro tips for owners. First, utilize preconditioning. Cool your cabin and battery via the app while the car is still plugged in so you don't waste range once you hit the road. Second, stick to the 20-80 rule. Avoid leaving your car at 100% charge in the sun, as high voltage and high heat are a recipe for battery aging. Finally, for hybrid owners, check those cabin air inlets, often located under the rear seats, to make sure they aren't blocked by floor mats or pet hair. A blocked vent in 100-degree weather can lead to a hybrid battery failure faster than you'd think. Treating your cooling system with the same respect we used to give oil changes is the secret to making a hybrid or EV last a decade. Does your car's fan keep screaming for 10 minutes after you park? That's your thermal management system saving your battery's life. Thank you for watching the video. If these tips helped you understand the tech under your floorboards, make sure to hit that like button and comment below.